Just practice this. Tomorrow, whatever is left, will continue tomorrow. Factorization is left. That chapter is important. I'll teach tomorrow. So 2 into, can you all see the screen? Oh, 2 into 1 by 2x into 2 by 3y. First, before opening the bracket, reduce it, students. Always check this 2ab part. Even in a plus b the whole cube, after the two values, check what has to be cancelled. Keep that in mind. Look at 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Other things remains as it is. Open the this multiple. Okay, so you get x square divided by 4. If there is no number, write it as x square. Here it becomes 4 divided by 9 x square plus numerator. Look at all the numerator. 2 2s are 4 x square divided by 3. Here, if it is wrong, I'll correct it later. You just go through. This is how you have to solve. Next question. Don't write anything. Don't write now. Just look at your answer and compare. 4a minus 3b the whole. See, 4a minus 3, the degree is 2. And we have minus inside. Imagine this as a minus this as b whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you want, write it. They won't reduce marks for all. And they won't give extra marks. It is just for your reference. Then substitute the value. 4a the whole square plus. Look here. Don't take this minus sign. Ignore this minus. Imagine there is no sign. Sign is gone. Just substitute the value. Minus 2 into 4a into 3b. 16a square plus 9b square minus 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24ab. Did you all get it right? This is how you do it. 16a square plus 9b square minus 24ab. Next part. If you have got it wrong or any step, if you have gone wrong, let me know, students. Or if you have done it another way, just let me know quickly. I'll solve it. Next question. Find the area of a triangle. Which formula we use? Aron's formula. Before using Aron's formula, they'll give you three values: A, B, and C. Take A is equal to 42. Remember, we did two questions in this, three question ratio. Now practice that. Don't keep practicing the same question after the class. Go through ratio question. So 100% they'll give you similar question like this. But you can't predict what if teacher gives ratio question. In spite of learning, you won't be able to solve an exam. So go through the ratio question. Definitely you'll get one question from triangle. So C is equals to 20. Once you find this, find semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. Write the formula or you can do it directly. 42 plus 34 plus 20. What's the semi-perimeter you all got? You didn't divide doubly? Divided. Okay, 40, 76, 76, 86, 96. 96 divided by 2 is how much? Yes, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 48 is the answer. A semi-perimeter. If you do this, you get half mark. Mostly they'll give you half mark. Area is important. Area is equal. Right? Formula. S into S minus square root of 48. Right? Each and every step. Don't skip anything. 48 minus 48, first one. Again, 48 minus 34. Then 48 minus 20. Don't write anything, students. I'll tell you how to practice once we complete all the questions. Next, 48 as it into. What is 48 minus 42? You get 6. Okay. Even here, you all might go wrong. If you're not aware of what you're solving, many students they make mistakes in this part. Addition subtraction. They'll be thorough with all the concepts. Silly mistakes. They go wrong with this 48 minus 34. All the silly mistakes they do, they get their answers wrong. So it is 14. You get 20. Is there any perfect square number here? No, right? There's no perfect square. So you do one thing, try to change all the values so that you don't get confused. Always use 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. You'll have to use 3, 5, 7. Start with 3 times table. Don't start with 4. Start with 2 times table. 2 into 24, 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into So this 44 is what? 2, 2, 2 into 3. This 6 you can write it as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. This one 2 into 7. This is easy. If you don't know 28, again factorize using 2 times, 3 times, 5 and 7. Remember these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. All these are prime numbers. Don't take 4, 6, 9, 8, 8, 9. Those are composite numbers. Your answer would go wrong. Take 27. 2 into 8. 2 into 7, 7 into 1. We have 2 into 2 into 7, and I've told you for Heron's formula, definitely your square root will get cancelled, which means everything will have 2 values. Here 2, these two are one group, these two, 7 and 7, 2 and 2, right? From this I'll take 1, 2, from this 1, from this I'll take 1, 3. Don't have to strike it out, just for explanation I'm writing it 2, again 2 and 7. The answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Just multiply like this. These 3 will give 12. 2 2s are 4, 7s are 20. Split like this. Don't try to do it one at in a single calculation, students. You'll end up making mistakes, or you'll definitely go wrong. Okay, so split into 3 parts. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Later you calculate 28 into 12 into 28. Did you get 336? 336 centimeters square is done. So you would have written everything right. This part you all would have gone wrong. This factorization. The reason some students will have overconfidence. They'll think, well, let me do it directly and end up making mistake. So don't do that. It would hardly take 1 minute. Split all the values. Look here, I've split all the values. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. If your answer is wrong, go through this recording later. The answer is 336 centimeters square. So let me keep 336. 336. Now we need area is 336. What is the second part of the question asked? Response, student. You have to find what? Height corresponding to the largest side. If height is asked, 2 into height into base into height. Take 336 is equals to, which is the longest side? Yes. Longest side is 40. So first reduce this. 2 ones are to 21. So 336 is equals to 21 into h. Both are multiplication. 21 and h, they are related using multiplication divided. Now you can rewrite like this. Rearrange. 336 divided by 21. 21 ones are 21. So you get 3 times. Yes, 16 is the answer. So 16 is the unit what they have given. Units is centimeter. Here, this is how you solve. Don't write, go through this according like this. 16 is the answer. Next question. Where did I make mistake? I knew. Try to do it directly. That's silent, not answering. I told you all right. See, I've been telling the students, I've told even for the students I teach, confidence is fine. If you have overconfidence, trying to do it directly, I didn't even see your answer sheet. I knew you would have made mistakes. Most of the students do mistakes in factorization part. What did you all get? Square root value. What did you all get? Such a number? How can you multiply directly? I told you how to factorize, right? Practice that, student. If you are weak in that, how many questions? 3, 4 questions we have done, right? Just take the root value. Where you all are going wrong in this root value, where 76 like this, 33 numbers. Write some numbers like this. Take this question Just take this part, don't look at notes. The problem with students is they just keep reading. Maths you're not supposed to read. See the question, write and practice. Close the notes, write and practice. This is not literature or language to sit and read. To copy the question, split this. Take 76. Use 2 times table. What are the tables of use? 2, 3, 5, 7. Never use other table. If you have used 4, definitely you'll go wrong. If you use 6, use 8, if you use 9, you'll go wrong. Okay. It needs practice, students. It needs practice. Only it's been only like 20 days, 20-25 days you've done. From 1 year, if you have taken classes, definitely you'll know how to do it directly. Other students have taught them how to do it directly. Last moment, if I teach you how to do it directly, you'll go wrong. That's the reason I'm telling you do it step by step. Okay, next question. In the triangle, is any triangle given here? No. And is any sign given like this? Sine is equals to 5 by 13. Is this that type of question? No, right? You can't use direct formula. We have to draw the triangle. See, draw a random triangle. Either this way or this way. Which side did you draw? The first one or second? The first one like this. So once you draw this, A, B, C, they'll definitely mention which angle belongs to 90 degree. Which angle is 90? Angle B, right B. You can write A, B, C. You know, according to alphabetical order, A, you can write A here or C, it doesn't matter. But write it A, B, C comes here. What are the values given? A, B is how many units? See, let me take 5 here. Next, AC is, did you all write? Did you all write C top or A? Okay, what about you, Mebli? So as I solve, you just keep comparing with your answer. You'll get to know where you all are lagging, what mistakes you all have done. Okay, 13 is given, 5 is given, EC is missing. Without this, you can't solve. I'll take the question. We need to find sin A, tan A, cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you just can't take random values. Which is hypotenuse here? Yes, h square is equal to what? P square plus B square. H square is AC. Take AC the whole square is equal. Don't use other concept. Don't refer any note. Whatever I was, just do that. AB square. Take AB square plus BC square. BC square is on the right hand side. Keep it as it. Take the value. 13 square is equal to what? 5 square plus BC square. Don't write it like this. BC square is equals to 13 square. All these are wrong, student. Don't do it like this. Never try to do it directly. You'll end up making mistakes. BC square is on the right hand side. Keep it as it. Which one gets shifted? 5 square. What is 13 square? 169. 5 is 25. What is 169 minus 25? Yes. If one is 13, the other one is 5, do you think this should be 144? Will it be such lengthy value? No. Think practically, which is the longest side? Hypotenuse is the, yes. In any right angle triangle, which is the longest side? Hypotenuse. I'm telling all this mistake. These are the mistakes students have done. They forget this root value, they take 144 and they start solving. It is not possible. Hypotenuse is 13. All the other values should be less than 13, right? Should be less than. That is how you have. If you all don't know these kind of concept, blindly students they forget during exam because of pressure. They forget to the square root here. They take 144 and solve. Okay, B is equal to take 12, take 12. If you have done till here, you will get how many marks? 3 marks. You will get 1 mark for this. Just to apply Pythagoras theorem, 1 mark. Then 3 questions, you will get another 2 marks. Okay. Now sin A, students. You can't take random value. What is given? Sin according to which angle? A. So remember, if they give A, imagine you are standing at point A. What is sin formula? Yes, should be thorough with the formula. If not, you will definitely go wrong. Perpendicular. If you are standing at position A, it is perpendicular, opposite. 12, which is hypotenuse 13. Now, tan A or tan C? Tan A. Fine. So even when you're solving, student, the way I'm teaching, even you just recollect all this. You just think you're teaching to someone. You just think you're teaching to someone, you'll get the answer right. What is perpendicular by hypotenuse here? Which is perpendicular? Perpendicular meaning is opposite, right? 12 divided by which is base? 5. Cosec square A. What is cosec square? Cosec formula? Maybe please not answer it. Got it wrong? Yeah, which is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 13. With respect to angle A, same. Imagine you're standing at angle A. They didn't give any angle C question. Or I'll give you one more question. Cosec, cot, sin C, students. If they ask sin C, what's the answer for sin? You're standing at point C, which is perpendicular 5. 5 divided by hypotenuse is 30. Just imagine the angle. If it is A, you're standing at point A. If it is C, you're standing at point C. Next, tell me the next one. What is cosec? Hypotenuse by, yeah, perpendicular. Which is perpendicular from A? 12. Square is given. Square it. Cot is what? Yes. Base is how much? 5. Perpendicular is 12. Just solve this. See, square is given. Even here they do mistake. They forget the square. They just write 12 by 13 by 12 minus 5 by 12. They take LCM 12. The denominator is same. Numerator is also same. 13 minus 5. They write 8. All these are wrong, students. How is it possible? There is square given. 169 divided by minus 25 divided by. So LCM denominator is same. What did I tell you all? If denominator is same, numerator also should be same. It doesn't change. 169 minus 25 is 144. But it's 140. The answer is next one. Okay. Second one, first question. Mean question. So what did I tell you all? If the values are bigger, which one you have to use? Which method? Assume mean method. You don't have to arrange in order. Just copy 800, 820, 860. Don't try to do it directly, students. Don't use this. Copy it. Okay, you have to copy 860, 900, 920, 980, 800, 820, 860, 900, 920, 980. Fine. Which one did you assume? Take the value as. What you may be 900? Okay. 70. And don't take some random value, the first value, all those things through. You'll get confused. Just do it like this. Now tell me the formula for assuming method. Median is equal to A plus in bracket Fi di divided by the summation of Fi. Write it in bracket. Next. Look at the formula and solve it. You try to do it directly, you'll definitely get confused. Look at the formula. We need Fi di. What do you mean by Fi di? You need to multiply Fi into di. In order to get multiply Fi di, we have Fi. We need di column, right? This is how we have to think. Look at the formula. First, write the formula. According to formula, start solving. What is di? Xi minus. Just write this. Now choose any value, middle value. There is 860 and 900 is the middle value. Draw a box, write A. Or below, just mention A is equals to 900. Now start subtracting. Wherever 900 is given, what the answer should be here? Both will be 0. Remember, above that it should be negative numbers, minus, right? Minus here. Then you start calculating. Below it should be positive. But subtract all the numbers with 900. top or bottom, it doesn't matter, students. Subtract, because the concept, what's the formula here? Can you see x time minus is given? A minus stands for subtraction. See, this is how you have to do it. Even if one step goes wrong, your entire thing is wrong. Remember that, right? Minus first, start subtracting. What is 900 minus 800? 100. Next, you get 80. Next, 40. Keep subtracting. Don't add anything. Subtract. You get 20, 80, 100. Positive, negative. FIDI, multiply. Minus. Again, I told you, right? Everything will be minus. Yes. Minus 0, positive. That's it. 700. 1120. No, no, not 1001. 80 plus 120. 1200. Not 1120. What is 15 into 80? Oh, sorry, 1120. 112. Okay. 1000. 1120. Next. 0. 4 nines are 36. 706. Next. 2 zeros. 400. 2 zeros. 8. Yes, 800. Big. Yes. Be aware of what you're writing. Calculation is important. For example, I'll tell you, students, just a simple mistake. Some students will be, what do you call it? Because of stress, you write for 900 minus 820. Instead of 80, if you write 60 here, just for example, this answer also will be wrong, right? If this goes wrong, what about your addition subtraction? Yes, that will go wrong. If this goes wrong, what about the final answer? Everything is wrong. If the teacher is lenient, if she thinks, okay, by mistake you have done, if she understands the situation, fine. If not, they just give 0 or 1 mark. If the teacher is good, she'll at least, for 4 marks, she'll at least give 2. You know, by mistake you have done, other calculation is fine. So just like that, you'll end up losing 2 or 3 marks. So take your time and solve this kind of question. FIDI, we got it. Now addition. What did I tell you? You have to add. You have to put minus, but you have to add, right? Yeah, just add everything. Even here you have to add. If you add, what you get? 1700. 800 plus 200 is 1200 plus 5, 1700. I'll take this. 700, 1120, 7, 0, 8, 12, 7, 14, 15, 14, 15, yes, 2580 minus 2580. Now minus 2580, 1700. Minus into plus is minus, you have to subtract 8, borrow from here. So you will get minus 880. See, even there you are doing mistake. Minus 2580 is greater. Minus 880 is the answer. Is it clear? Just imagine, even when you're right, imagine someone is next to you, just teaching them. Just teaching, that is how we have to study. Okay, minus 880 is the answer, student. Now this minus 880 will substitute in the formula. Mean is equals to A is 900 plus minus 880 divided by F5. Calculate F5. What is F5? Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 300. See, it is so simple. Use shifting method. 0, 0 cancel. What is minus 880 divided by 10? If you use shifting method, 1 decimal. Minus 20. So don't waste your time subtracting. 2 ones are 2 fives are 4, 2 into 5 again cancel. You're wasting your time. Right? 900 minus 8.8. What is the answer? 691.2. 891.2 is the answer. Positive. 891 point. And what are they talking about? Weekly wage. Wages meaning is what? Salary, right? It could be in rupees. Wages meaning is salary, money related to amount or money. Right. Weekly mean. This is the statement you have to write. Mean weekly wages. This rupees 891. Here, fine. Next one, next question. This part. What's the degree given? 1. So which one is 1? Main question or the sub question? Main question. Whichever has degree 1, take that. Take that and square. X plus 1, the square or cube? Is cube question. So x plus 1 by x is 4. X cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3. What's the formula? 3 into A into B into A plus B. A plus B. So what did I tell before opening the bracket? Reduce the value. The value is 4. Okay, substitute. Okay. 4 cube, yes. 4 cube, x and x will get cancelled. Even here it is 4. Right? Open the bracket. X cube plus 1 by x. Within, yeah, 2 steps you'll get, students. See, what is 4 cube? It is not 12 or 16, 64. This side it is plus. It goes to the other side, becomes minus. 3 4 the 12. X cube plus 1 by x cube. What's the answer? Yes, 52. Rewrite it like this. Now you can rewrite. Just follow the instruction. If you're doing it in some other method, I'm not responsible. If you're trying to shift it in between, you'll definitely go wrong with addition subtraction. 52 is the answer. There is no square root, so it is positive. Don't write plus minus. This is the answer you get. So there are 3 questions, each question 1 mark. Understood? Shall I do the next one? Okay, 52. If it is wrong, practice later. For this, it is 52. Next. Second question. Without second, you can't go to the first one. Take the second question, compare it with the first degree, students. From degree 1, what is the degree 1 value for the second one? Degree is 1, right? See, there is the order. From degree 1, you can go to degree 2 or degree 3. From this, use the main question. Both are degree 1, right? Both are degree 1. What did I tell? Take both and then subtract it. Yeah, square both. See, take both. If both the degrees are 1, square and subtract. What's the value you get? Is equal to 4ab. Yeah, 4ab is nothing but just 4. Clear? Yeah, just mug up the students. Mug up. Even for square value, just mug up this concept. If you're not able to understand and solve, whenever degree 1 is asked, always subtract it. Minus. X plus 1 by x is 4 square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to. All this negative goes to the other side. 4 square is 16. What happens to this 4? It goes to the other side. Minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. Do we need whole square or just x minus 1 by x? And now you can rearrange is equal to, other values will not change. 16 minus 4 is root 12. If you simplify, what is root 12? You have to simplify it. If you haven't simplified, they'll reduce marks. How do you simplify? Same LCM method. 2 into 6, 2 into 3. That factorization thing which we did in Heron's formula. So you have 2 into 2 into 3. This has one pair. Take out. Root 3 doesn't have pair. Keep it inside the square. So just because we solved it, should be plus minus. There is a square root, right? Plus minus 2 root 3. Okay, plus minus 2 root 3. Now we need which one? X cube minus 1 by x cube. Which one should I take? X plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x? X minus. The reason is minus, right? There is minus here. Look here, minus and minus. That's why I told you we have to solve x minus 1 by x first. Now we have the answer this part. Let me take the left hand side. X minus 1 by x whole cube. Tell me what's the answer? X cube, a cube, minus. Everything is minus, right? Remember, everything is a minus b cube minus c into a into bracket a minus b. As soon as you do, just immediately substitute this. What you have? 2 root 3. You can take 2 root 3. If not, 2 root 3 is what, students? Root 12, right? I remember this. It's easy to calculate. You can take even root 12. So root 12 is what? How many times 12 is multiplied? Okay, what is root 12 into root 12? 12. The answer is 12 root 12. Just keep 12 root 12 as it is. So if you take root 12, it is easy. I'll teach even this. If you take 2 root 3 the whole cube, even this is easy. When you split this, what do you get? 2 cube into root 3 the whole cube. Right? What is 2 cube? 8. What is root 3? 3 root 3. No. 3 root 3, right? 8 3 is a 24 root 3. This is simplified form. See, this 12 root 12 we didn't simplify still. We'll simplify that. Or do one thing, take 2 root 3, student. Isn't it easy? The calculation part is easy, right? Right? Not that tough. You can directly take 2 root 3. Because if you take root 12, again you get confused here. Take 2 root 3 and cube it. So I'll do the calculation here. 2 is 3 times. Root 3 also 3 times. Multiply 3. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 3 is just 3 into root. 8 3 is 24 root 3. 24. First reduce it. Then open the bracket x minus 1 by x minus 3 into, what is the value of x minus 1 by x? 2 root 3. X cube minus 1 by x cube. Open the bracket. 3 2s are 6 root 3. So practice this question is important. There is root value. Minus 6 root 3 goes to the other side, become plus 6 root 3 is equals to x cube minus 1 by x. 24 plus 6 is 30 root. X cube minus 1 by x. Just quickly go through. If you have any doubts, let me know. Later practice through recording, students. While watching a recording, you can't ask any doubts. So if you have any doubts, get it clarified. How to subtract cube values, square values. Up to the next one. Next question is solve. Okay, substitution method. In substitution, there are two values, two equations. 3y is equals to 23. 4x is 3y minus 48 is equals to 0. Okay, which one shall we substitute? 3x? I'll tell you. You're not thorough with substitution. Once again, I'll explain. Y is negative, students. If you are trying to substitute y value, minus y remains as one goes to the other side. 3x, right? Minus, you can't substitute minus value there. It should be positive. If minus goes to the other side, y is equal to minus into 23 minus 3x. Here, when you open the bracket, what do you get? Positive 23 becomes negative 23. Then minus 3x becomes, no. Minus into plus, minus into minus is plus 3x. Remember this. If you want to substitute y, this is how you do it. I'll show both. I'll show x as well as y. Is this concept clear? So minus, so if you have done it wrong, no problem. Practice it later. Once again, minus y is what we need. Keep it as it is, along with coefficient. Shift 3x. The value which we're going to substitute should be positive. So shift minus here. This minus belongs to both 23 as well as 3x. So write it in bracket. When you open the bracket, minus 23, or this, ignore this, minus y is equal to 23. Remember, if you're shifting minus there, both the sign will change. Positive 23 will become what? Negative 23. Positive minus 3x will become plus 3x. Remember that. Minus 23 plus 3. Here, just remember like this. When you're shifting minus, both the values will change. Okay. Let me substitute. 4x plus 3 into minus 23 plus 3x minus 40. Or do one thing, minus 48. When you write to shift it to the other side, it becomes plus 40. 4x, open the bracket along with coefficient. Minus into plus is minus. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Minus in, sorry, plus into plus is plus. 3 3s are 9x. Don't write 3 plus 3. Don't think it as 3 plus 3, not 6x. 3 3s are 9x is equal to 48. Both are positive. 9 and 4 are positive. 9 plus 4, 13. Minus 69 goes to the other side, becomes plus 69. X divide by this one, add this. No, 117. How come 177? Let me check. 9 plus 8 is 17, right? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. How come 177? 117. 117 was 9 times. So what is the value of x? X is equal to, and you can substitute. We have taken from the first equation. You can substitute either first one or second. Is it clear? If you substitute to get first equation, 3 into 9 minus y is equals to 23. Minus y remains as it is, 23. 3 nines is how much? 27, right? If plus 27 goes to the other side, the answer is minus. Look at plus into minus is minus. 27 minus 23 is 4. 27 is greater, minus 4. What did I tell you? If minus, if you shift it to the other side, the sign will change, right? Minus 4 becomes, this is the answer. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. That, any doubts in this? Write it, students. Write and practice solving. Next one. What if you want to substitute y first? You want to substitute y, which one you have to shift to the other side? Where is 4 given? Y, right? 23 plus y. And we have 3 here. You can't just substitute 3 here. What you have to substitute is equals to 23 plus y divided by, you have to divide. See, this becomes complicated. Division part. Okay, if you are substituting this part, 4 into 20 plus y divided by, not complicated, we need to take LCM. Is this clear? Plus 3y is equals to 40. Check whether you can reduce 4 and 3. Is it possible? No. Then just multiply 4 into 23. You get 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 93 plus 4 will get multiplied with both, divided by 3. This 3y doesn't have denominator, take it as 1. Here, the denominator is same or different? Different. If denominators are different, take LCM, numerator also will be different. You have to convert. The denominator is 3. I'll keep 3 as it is. Into 1, this everything will get multiplied into 1. So it remains same, 92 plus 4. Here it gets multiplied into how much? Into 3. Here also. The sign is plus 3, the 9y is equal to what? 3. Before shifting all the values, 3 is division. If it goes to the other side, becomes multi. 92 plus 4 plus 9 is 13y. Okay. So is this method easy or tough? This is tough, right? Elimination would have been easy, but what if they ask you substitution? That's the reason I'm teaching. In exam, if you get, which one will you use? Elimination. I'll teach the same question, I'll teach you elimination. Okay. 13y, 48 into 3. Look at 48, 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. So 13y is equals to 144 minus 92. 92 goes to the other side, gets subtracted. You get 52. Fine. Y is equals to, if you bring this 15, you get 52 divided by 13. The answer is, what is Y? Y is equal to 4. Now substitute in the first equation. I'm doing this side. Look at this left hand side. 3 into x minus y is 420. 3x is equal to minus 4 goes to the other side, plus 4. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 divided by 3, 9. This is equal to what? X is equal to, what's the next? Is it 5 or 5 o'clock? What time did you all join? 4 o'clock. Okay. Is it clear, student? The same question, we'll do elimination now. Elimination. See, elimination is very simple. What's the rule I told you? X should be first, right? Yeah, however the right is, student, however the right, you rearrange. 3x minus 4, 23. This is correct. Below, 4x plus 3y. Minus 48 goes to the other side, plus 40. First, go with the sign. Which sign is opposite? Yes. Minus y has opposite sign, right? Yeah, so choose y. It is not mandatory that you have to start x. You can eliminate even y. So I would say that whichever has opposite sign, go with that. You don't have to multiply any sign with that. So what I should multiply this to make the coefficient same? Into 3. So you get 9x minus 3y is equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Numerator as it, sorry, not numerator, second equation as 4x plus 3y is equal to 40. Look how simple elimination method is. These two gets cancelled. 9 plus 4, 30 is equal to, add 8 plus 9, 17, 6 plus 4, 10, 117. 13y, sorry, 13y. Y is equal to 117 divided by 13. What's the answer? 9. Take this 9, we got 9 values. Substitute in any one of the equation. Let me take the first equation. 3x minus 9 is equal to 20. No, no, not 9, students. Where did I go wrong? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. What's the 17, 6 plus 1, okay, 9 is the answer. If x goes to the other side, 3x minus 9 goes to the other side, what do you get? 23 plus 9. What is 23 plus 9? 32. Why? To get the answer, why is it? What was the value we got using substitution x and y? You didn't make a note? Or which one was 9? Which one was 9? Y value was? Okay, you should get 4 here. Let me see where. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, here I made a mistake, right? Here. 9 plus 34 is how much? 13x. I wrote 13y. 13x is equals to 117. Yes, answer is correct. 117 divided by 13 is 9. See, so much I teach. Sometimes even I do mistake, right? In the exam, when I do mistake, x is equals to 9. And we know that we get round value, students. That's the reason I had a doubt. You always get a rounded value or decimal. X is equals to 9. Substitute 3 into x. 3 into 9 minus y is equals to 20. 3 9s are 27 minus y is equal to 23. Minus y remains as it is 23. 27 goes to the other side, minus 27. Minus y is equal to minus 4. What did I tell? Y should be positive. This minus goes to the other side and the sign will change. Minus 4 become plus. So always go with elimination method. Clear? Okay, next question. Third main. The 10. Fine. Take 10 minutes break, students. 5:10. We'll continue at 5:10. Up to 6 I'll continue because it might be break. Okay, we'll start the next question. Did you do the simplify question? The exponents. I'll do the direct step, students. In exam, copy the question and do it in test. 81 out. Denominator is 4. You have to eliminate 4. Yes, you have to eliminate 4. So it is 3 to the power of 4. Don't write it as 9 square 3 to the power of 4. You can reduce it, but it is twice the work, students. Again, it becomes a lengthy process. So 3 to the power of 4 into 3 by 4 minus power is negative. 1 by 32 becomes 32 by 1. Just write 32. 32 2 to the power of 5 plus 8 becomes 2 3 into 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by minus 1 is negative. 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. Yes, to the power of 1, right? Keep it as it is. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1 by 81 square, 1 by 2, right? It's 1 by 1 by 2. So here it gets cancelled. 3 cubed is 9 or 27? 27. 2 to the power of 5, 2 by 5 gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. Where is 4. Just keep writing. Next step, just 2 ones are. What is 2 to the power of 1? 2. Not 1, it is 2. Okay, 2 to the power of 0 is 1 into 1 minus 9 to the power of 2, 1 by 27 minus 4 plus use BOD mass. This entire thing should be multiplied. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, minus 9. Take the positive numbers, write the positive numbers first. What are the positive numbers? 27 plus 8, minus 9, minus 4, minus 4, minus 9. Arrange it like this. You try to do it directly, you'll definitely go wrong. 27 minus plus 8 is 35. Here, minus 35 minus 30. What's the answer you all got? It should be 22. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. 22 is the answer. This is how we solve. Next question. Understood? A BOD mass also I have marked here. Look at the box. That box part is BOD mass. So this okay. Substitute A value, students. I will written the table in the answer sheet. Okay, I told you to write it. Just copy the value. It from where? Textbook. Or from tuition notes you took the value and you wrote it. I told you to write the table, right? In exam, will ma'am give you the table? Lima? Are they? Instead of telling so much, you have copied the value from the note. Why can't you write it? You don't know how to write? And why didn't write it? Okay, what was the answer we got for this? I'll tell you. X cube minus 1 by x cube. What was the answer? Previous response. X, x cube. No, no, for x cube. Plus first one, for the first one. For the first one, it was 52, right? Okay, second one. Root. No, no, 12 root 2, 3. Okay, next one. x cube 30 root. Okay, 30 root. Fine. Next one. I'll write it directly. What is 3 into 20? A value will be given. Remember, whenever they give A value like this, student, A 5 degree, 10 degrees, they'll give you A value. What is 3 into 20 plus? This is how you have to do it in exam. Cos 2 into 20 is 40. 40 plus 5, 45, right? 45. Okay, next. What is cos 3A? Cos 6. Sin 2A is, yes, 2 into 20 is 40. 40 minus 10, 30. Don't waste your time writing like this, students. Write like this again next step. Don't waste your time. Do it directly. 2 into 10, 20 is 40. 40 minus 10 is 30 degrees. I'll keep 3 as it is. Fine. Okay, root 3 by 2. See, there is multiplication. If you want, you can write it together. Okay, we'll do it step by step. Root 3 by 2 plus 2 into cos 1 by divided by 2 into cos 6 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. There 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Numerator, what do you get? 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by root 2. Which one is, can you take LCM? Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2. What did I tell you all, students? Root 2 is what? Rational or irrational? Irrational. You have to rationalize it. Rationalize that. Look here, I'll do it in working column. Take 2 root 2, multiply by what? So you'll have 2 root 2 divided by 2, right? If you want cancel, just cancel. Just cancel it or just keep it as it is. If you cancel, what are we getting? Minus root 2, right? Respond. Is this clear? Did you all do it? Okay, if you didn't cancel, what will you get? 2 root 2 divided by 2. No problem. If you're not cancelling, no problem. What's the LCM for this one? 2. You get 2 minus 1. Then, if denominator is same, 2 minus 1 is 4. What did you say, Lima? Okay. If 2 minus 1, okay. Denominator is same, so I told you numerator also will not change. 3 root 3 minus 2 root. Divided by 2 minus 1 is what? Yeah, can you all see the screen? Am I audible, students? Okay. So what do you get here? 1 by, and there are two denominators. What did I tell you? 3 is 3 into, what did I, into 2 by 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What's the final answer? Your root 2 is, yeah, root 2 remains that. Here, is 3 root 3 minus 2. The main concept here was this conversion, students. I've taught you a lot of questions like this. Whenever the denominator is root 2, you have to convert. If not, it is not possible to take LCM. Can't take this. Shall I do the next one? Okay, you have any doubts how to take LCM or convert it to root? Let me know. What else? Root value, LCM. Okay. Because later I can't teach. You have to just go through the recording and practice on your own. Question. Okay, median. How do you solve median, student? Just what's the first bit? Change in ascending order. Which is the smallest value? 15 for 15. Write the respective number. It is 3. Yeah, be quick. 17, 5. Next, 22. I told you we need n value. And you'll remember basic question. If only one value is given, how to solve? Yeah, try that, student. Complete all that. Go through the notes and practice those questions. They might ask for MC. Whenever two values are given, I can only this for test. Xi Fi is given. We need TF. TF stands for cumulative frequency. T. What are the answers? 3 plus 5? 8. 8, 9, 17. 27 and 7. This is what you have to take it as n is equal to what? 37. Let me check. 3. Then for 17, 5. For 20, it is 9. For 22, 4. 25, 6. And 30, it is 10. Okay. 3 as it is. The first value will remain same. Remember that. First value is same. Next 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 27, 37. N is equals to 37. Odd or even? Bracket mention odd. For odd, what is median formula? Median is very easy. M plus, not M. You shouldn't write M there. What are we finding here? Median, right? I write M. I write M. You have to write median, Lima. Okay, write median mean N plus 1 divided by 2 term. Remember this. I think you'll have made mistake. Or did you write 37 plus 1 divided by 2? What is 37 plus 1? Is what? 19 is not the answer. 19th term. Do we have 19 here? Do we have 19? We forgot to do that. What? 21, 22. You have to take this corresponding xi value, right? Median is equal to 22. Okay, this was simple. I didn't read the question actually. I should have given even number. Because you'll definitely get even, I think so. Yeah, if you get even, go through the calculation. Yeah, odd is easy to solve. Even number is bit tough. Okay, next question. Keep the numerator. Which one did you convert? Numerator or denominator? Okay. First step. Don't convert it. First write cos 90 minus. What is the value given? 55 plus. Keep cos 78 as it is. What will you write here? Sign? Write 90 minus 78. Next. Next. Minus cos 90 minus 70. So it's a single two-step question. What is the complementary for cos? So sin 55 by this one I shouldn't have given for 3 marks. Okay, most probably they won't give such easy student. They might give any tough one. One. Next here. One. Here. Sin, right? Sorry, sin 72 by 2 minus 1 is answer. Next, elimination method. Solve using elimination. Okay, tell me the question, students. First, x should be first. 4x, what happens to plus 3y? It's on the right hand side. If you shift it, it becomes, yes. Minus 18 become plus 18. Next, tell me the next one. 6x. 4 or minus 4? Well, should be thorough. Even if I cross question, you should give me the right answer. Which one did you cancel? Why? If you try to cancel x, look here, x becomes complicated, students. We have 4 and 6. Okay, it becomes complicated. You have to multiply by 4 here and by 6 here. Or if you take LCM, you get LCM as 12. That is kind of calculation. What did you multiply here? Into 7. And here into 3. Right? Into 7 and into 3. Multiply the 7 4 are 28x. 126. Next, 18x. What did you write? 4 or 12? Huh? Ah, you write 4. That's it, Lima. That is that 3 or what is 4 or 12? You have written 4. Think about that. This is the last attempt, right? Or you want to keep studying 9 again and again? Well, silly mistakes. So this is why I keep telling you all. Be aware of what you'll do. Multiply 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 3 gets cancelled. Both are positive. What's the answer? 46x is equal to, it goes 3 times. Definitely it's a, what you call, whole number. You won't get decimal here. Definitely it's whole number. 138 divided by 40. You can use 2 times table, 3 times, 4 times. Just keep cancelling, students. Okay. 46 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 4 are 12. So it goes 3 times. X is equals to 3. See that one mistake. Because of 12, if you write 4, other things are wrong, right? So there's no points then 3 marks. Definitely they'll give you only half mark. Because of the silly mistake. 4 3s are 12, you write 4. Calculation is wrong, x value is wrong. If x is wrong, what's the point? Even if you substitute, y is wrong. Okay, I'll take the first equation. 4 into minus 3y is equal to 18. Minus 3y as it is, 4 3s are 12. Positive 12 goes to the other side, become minus 18 minus 12 is 6. Y is equal to, we are dividing minus 3. Remember minus 6 divided by minus. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. 3 1s are 3 2s. Minus 2 is 3 marks. If you are substituted in the second one, even that is fine. I would have taken second one, first one, students. The reason why first one, it is easy, right? 4 and 3 are smaller numbers. If you have taken second one, for example, second one, 6 into 3 plus 7y. When second one is easy, the reason is positive or negative, y value. Y is positive, right? So you don't have to get confused. In the first equation, y was negative. So students will get confused while solving this. So you can even think like this. If it is positive, take that value. 6 3 is 18 plus 7y is equal to plus 7y remains as it is. 4 minus 4 minus 18 plus 14 or minus 14. 18 is greater. 18 minus 4 is 14. Minus 14 divided by 7. What's the answer? Right. Minus. Do whichever you all want, student. If you're thorough with this shifting values, minus, plus, addition, subtraction, it is easy. And even in standard, same concept. Most of the questions will have simultaneous linear equation. You have to just keep shifting left hand side, right hand side, addition, subtraction, LCM, decimal calculation. Done? Completed? Next question. Simplify. Look, this is almost similar to that, but only thing cube root was given here. Okay, simplify. Power is negative. How do you write? 125. Instead of writing 125, can I write directly 5 3 into 2 by 3? Yeah, you can write 5 3 into 2 by 3 and 64. 4 3 by 3. Or do it step by step, however you all want. 4 into 0, everything to the power of 0, 1. Then 3 square, sorry, 3 square to the power of 5 by 2. Multiplied by minus 3 by 4 is what? 1 by 3 of. It is minus. Power is negative, so it becomes 1 by minus 2. Subtracted by. What is square root? Cube root of 64 is 4. Power is negative 3 to 1. Tell me where multiplication is given. In between which values multiplication is given? Into by 3, right? 1 by 3 by 4. This, which concept we use? Bod mass, right? Yeah, multiplication. Even this is bod mass. Look at. So this is how you have to think, student. As soon as you do, go with multiplication, bod mass and bod mass. Starts cancelling. What is 5 square? 25. 4 square? 16. Take this in working column and do it, or you can do it as it is. Look here. 1 into. What is 5? Sorry, 3 to the power of how much? 3 to the power of 5 is given, and here we have 3 to the power of 4. This becomes tough to calculate. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever the base same is the base same 3 and 4, so I'll tell you how many times 3 is multiplied. I write it like how many times 3 is multiplied down. Is it correct? You can do it like this. Into 1, just ignore that 1. Denominator 5 3s are 15. Divided by 25 divided. Yes, tell me. Okay, 5 3s are 15. So we know 3 to the power 1 is 3, students. Multiplication, just multiply. So according to bod mass, just keep solving. How many 4 will get cancelled here? Right? 3 ones are 3. Minus 15 by 4. This doesn't have denominator, take 1. Just go through here. Go through. This was a tough question. Tough in the sense you should know that concept. Quotient law. See, remember I told you quotient law 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 4. When the base is same, division is given. What do we do? The powers, add or subtract? Yes. So what is 5 minus 4? 3 to the power of 1. That is what you have got, right? So you can do it in this way, or you can write it like this too. You can write however you want. To the power of 5 minus 4. Or just try multiply 3 5 times, down 4 times, cancel it, you'll get an idea. How to. Fine. LCM. Next LCM part. For the previous question, what did we get? X and Y. What was the value for? 5 or 16. Fine, we'll calculate this. 25 by 16 plus 3 by 1 minus 15 by LCM for this is, what's the LCM student? I told you to take from smaller number 1, 4, 16. Start with 2. 2 2s are 2, 8s are next, 1s are 2. If there's only one number, take it directly. Okay, what's the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. If denominator is different, numerator also should change, right? That's how you have to think. If you're weak in LCM, look here, into 1, 25, plus how many times? Into 3. 3 tens are 30, 3 6 are 18, 48. Minus into 4. You get 6. So 16, 15 into 4, it's not 16. 16 or 60, what did you say? 6. These both are positive students. 20 plus 40 is 60. 60 plus 13 is 73. 73 minus 60. The answer is 13 by 60. Is it clear? So see where you all have gone completed. Shall we do the next one? Next one. Last main, right? This is the last main. Find the area of a triangle. See, everything, whatever I said, students, it was easy. The only thing, practice it. Find the area of isosceles triangle. Look here. First, draw a diagram, students, in rough working column. Just name it as A, B, C, or even if you don't name, no problem. The diagram for isosceles is both the sides should be A and the other side should be B, right? What's the formula? According to this, what's the formula? Area is 1 by 4, 4 into minus. Just check once. Is it 4b square minus a square or a square minus b? Is it correct? Okay, this is for isosceles. Draw the diagram. Even while explaining, I drew the diagram. For equilateral, all the sides should What is area formula? Root 3 by 4. A. What does A stand for, students? A is nothing but side, right? Yes, that is what you have to draw. If you haven't drawn, draw the diagram. For scaling, all three sides are different. It is taken as 8 What is 3 meter? 8 plus 3 plus 3 square. This is around. As soon as you see the diagram, this is how you have to write. And all values are different. And for right angle, it is not. Right angle and normal triangle, if base is given, what's the formula? If base is given, height. This is height and base, not hypotenuse, height. Okay. So the formula is half into base into. Yeah, make a note. Just write this, be quick. Write it in your notes. Whenever the word base and height is given, be quick. Okay. Fine. What about semi-perimeter, students? Tell me semi-perimeter. Just look at this and tell. I mean, not perimeter. What is perimeter formula for? Times you have to add a plus a plus b. And what is perimeter? Just add all three. Just add all a plus a is how much? Okay. Whenever you find a value, and for this, what is perimeter? Add a plus b plus. You just perimeter, do it. Do it. So these are the formulas for whatever we have studied. This is, yeah, left, parallelogram, trapezium. After that, factorize. Two concepts. Done. Okay. Now, according to the question, what I've given, so let me try to explain as it is. What does A stand for your equal or unequal side? Equal. What they have given? What did we give here? A is B 24. So this is the basic question. Yesterday I solved one tough question, right? When perimeter is given, yeah, any area is given. Isosceles, just check out students. Area will be given. You have to find A or B, some value. 1 by 4 into 24 square of 4 a square. I'll write it directly. A square is 30 square, 169 minus 24 square is 570. 6 into 4 into 169 is 636 minus 570. This area, students. Area was fine. You see another question I would have solved. Area will be given. Area value will be given. They'll ask to find same side and different side calculation. Yes. To do the same side and different side. That is also important. Is this clear? Last two questions. See, this is where what you'll miss. Uh, There are chances they might write final exam they are given question. I'll tell you how to solve. X plus 1 by x and x square is given. What is the main question degree given? What's the main question? 2, right? And sub what they was? Sub question is 1. So from degree 2 to 1 or degree 1 to method we use? P square, right? Yeah. Which one has degree 1? Take that n square. Which has degree 1? Take that first one. Don't take x square. Take x plus 1 by x. See, it's just the opposite one. Square it. What does it look like? A plus, yes. X square plus I could do it at 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Strike it out. Usually we use to have x square x plus 1 by x value, right? That is what we need to find. It's not given. Keep it as it is. What is this value here? How can it be 7 square? Only 7. Have they written 7 square here? No. You can't write 7 square. Just copy 7. Plus, what is given here? After 10. Do I need whole square or just x plus 1 by? So what's the answer? Square root goes to the other side. Plus minus? Square root. Yeah, square root, what did I tell you? Plus minus. Yeah, plus minus. What was the area we got, students, for the previous question? What was the and the value for this is 3. What to find next one? The second question. Yes, x minus 1 by the degree. The degree is the answer was 3. Degree is 1, right? Whenever degree is 1, it doesn't matter plus or minus. You can take this and square it. Degree is 1 and you can square it. How does x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into a into b. What is x minus 1 by? We need to find. Keep it as it is. Tell me next one. What is x square plus 1 by x square? Once again, 7 minus. So x minus 1 by x is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. Square goes to the other side. Root. This is not understood. Okay. Now, how does the third formula look like? What did I tell you? In case of x, what you have to read? A minus this one. What is a minus square? Still, it's been almost 25 days. Still, you are not telling me the formula. What is a square minus a? Keep telling wrong answer. A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? 1 by x into x minus x plus 1 by x is 3 multiplied by x minus 1 is root 5. The answer for this is 3 root 5. Still you are not thorough with the formula. How many times to teach you all this formula? And the same formula is going to repeat for 10. Will still 10 if you take same thing. As long as you study max, you take max. This formula is not going, never going to leave max students. Algebra, especially algebra. A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. These are some of the basics, very basic concept. Completed? Question. P is given. What's the degree for P? Degree is 1. You have to convert it to 2. Yes. Now take the main question, not the sub. Main question and square. Square plus 1 by P square plus 2 into P into What is p plus 1 by p give? 5 by 2 the whole square. P square plus 1 by p square plus 2. Plus 2 goes to the other side becomes minus 2. We keep this as it is. Open the bracket. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. If you have just written 5 by 2, that is wrong. You won't get any of this. Plus 2 goes to the other side minus. This is a MCQ question. 1 mark. Denominator. What is denominator? Denominators are different. LCM of numerator also will be different. Multiply into 8, right? What's the answer? 17 by which option D. So you'll get from factorization, expansion, trigonometry question. Tomorrow I'll solve your MCQ question. Next, second main. Power is negative. How do you write? 1 by, can I write directly? Any of this MCQ, right? For MCQ, they don't give marks for step students. They need final answer. 5 to the power of 3 into 2 by 3. What is left? 5 square. 5 square is all mark. 1 by 5. 5. What about you, Lima? 5 1 by 5. Forgot to square. Tell me next. Your tan value is given. What is tan formula perpendicular by? They'll definitely give one question like this, students. Either 1 mark or 2 mark. Remember, practice this. If you're still weak in this, practice. Perpendicular is 5, base is 12. Hypotenuse square is equal to what? Plus hypotenuse remains as it is. 5 square plus 12 square. If you want to find hypotenuse, the other side becomes good. 5 square is 25. 30 square is no. 40. After addition, you get what? Square root of 169? 30. So what is theta? Hypotenuse by base. Cosec is perpendicular. What is hypotenuse value? What is perpendicular? Which option? Option D. 13 by 5. Here. Sometimes they'll ask tan students. What is the I taught you reciprocal relation. What is the reciprocal for tan? Yes, very good. For cot. For tan, if it is 5 by 12, cot will be. Remember this. If they ask cot, do you need to solve all this? No. Remember this. There are chances of giving such question students. Now, if they give cos value, if they give cosec is equal to 13 by 12, what is sin value? What is the opposite? Reciprocal of cosec? Yes, reciprocal of cosec is sin, right? If cosec is 13 by 5, sin will be 5 by 13. So remember reciprocal relation, students. If they ask question based on reciprocal, do we need this calculation part? Not one. But from tan, you can't directly find cosec. There is no relation between tan and you have to use x square is equal to b square plus b square. Let me erase. When base and height is given, which formula we use? Area is used to up into base is 18, height is 15. 2 ones are 2 nines are 9 into 15 is 9 plus 45, 145, right? So when did we start? 4 o'clock. What's the time? Almost 6, right? 5:55, 10 minutes break, almost 1 hour 45 minutes. In spite of explaining, how many did it take? 1 hour 45, right? Without explaining, you all have taken 1 hour 40 minutes. I gave 1.5 hours, you all took 10 minutes. So this is how you have to solve, students. And all of a sudden, you won't be able to solve like this. Practice. Every day you have to practice. So without practice, remember last week you all copied sending wrong answers, copying answers and sending. So from day one, you'll have to fine. I'll send this recording. I've recorded. I'll send.